Hi, I'm Eric, physical therapist at Can Do. And what I want to show you today is our FabLife Reaching Aid. These reachers are therapist recommended. They come in various colors and sizes, ranging from 20 inches to 32.5 inches. The FabLife Reaching Aid assists with those who have limited reach or hand strength. The FabLife Reaching Aid allows you to extend your reach to over 2 feet. It folds for easy storage, and the reaching aid is helpful as it involves less bending, twisting. It's also easy on your knees and on your back. It features a strong molded rubber jaw with traction grooves for easy gripping. And it also features a magnetic tip for picking up metallic objects. For more information, click on the link below.